Hello guys, so in this video we are going to learn how to fix OBS Studio Not Recording. So first of all, open the OBS Studio, and I have already opened the OBS Studio. So this one is the symbol of the OBS Studio. So first of all, what you need to do, go to the setting in the right below, open the setting, and then in the setting, click the output. In the left side, click the output. This one is the output. Click on the second tab, which is the recording tab. Then see here. Here is the recording path. So in the recording path, you can choose or you can browse the recording path where you want to save your recordings. And also, after choosing the recording path, make sure recording format must be MP4. So my recording format is already MP4. And now also check if disk space is available or not, and then here click apply, then click OK, and then restart your OBS Studio, and then click start recording again. Actually it was locked in my OBS Studio because I'm using this right now, but you can do it successfully.